Hi there and welcome to the channel. Do you want to unlock your full potential and embark on a journey of personal growth and development? Then you are in the right place. We will look at the 5 most self-developing prominent areas for you to focus on. This will guide to become the best version of yourselves. Number 1. Unlocking your full potential. A journey of personal growth and development. It's a journey that starts with identifying your strengths. Think of your strengths as your superpowers. They are the things you excel at, the things that make you feel energized and fulfilled. Maybe you're a whiz at problem solving, or perhaps you're a natural communicator. You might even have a knack for leadership. Identifying these strengths isn't always easy, but it's worth the effort. You can take a personal assessment or seek feedback from others. Once you've identified your strengths, nurture them, leverage them. If you're a problem solver, seek out challenging projects that require critical thinking and analytical skills. But personal growth isn't just about playing to your strengths. It's also about embracing new challenges. It's about stepping outside of your comfort zone and pushing your boundaries. This could mean joining a public speaking club to improve your communication skills, or stepping into a leadership role that stretches your abilities. Embracing new challenges is like pushing your muscles to their limits during a workout. It might be uncomfortable at times, but it's the only way to grow stronger. And remember, every challenge is an opportunity. Every time you step outside of your comfort zone, you're giving yourself the opportunity to grow, to learn, to become more than you were before. And every time you face a challenge head-on, you're proving to yourself that you have what it takes to succeed. Personal growth and development isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about constantly pushing yourself to be better, to do better. It's about embracing challenges, nurturing your strengths, and continuously seeking out opportunities for growth. By identifying your strengths and embracing new challenges, you set the foundation for personal growth. This is just the beginning of your journey. There are many more steps to take, many more challenges to face. But remember, every step you take is a step closer to unlocking your full potential. By identifying your strengths and embracing new challenges, you set the foundation for personal growth. Number 2. The power of self-improvement, nurturing a lifelong growth mindset. Have you ever wondered how to nurture a lifelong growth mindset? It starts with understanding the concept itself. A growth mindset isn't just a buzzword, it's a belief system that centers around the idea that our abilities, our intelligence, our skills, they're not fixed. They are malleable and can be developed with dedication and effort. Picture it like this. You're not a finished statue, forever stuck in one shape. Instead, you're a piece of clay, constantly being shaped and reshaped by your experiences. Every new challenge, every failure, every success, they all contribute to who you are. But how do we put this belief into action? How do we actively nurture this growth mindset? One way is by embracing new challenges. Stepping outside of our comfort zone might seem daunting, but it's the only way to grow. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So if you've ever wanted to join a public speaking club or take on a leadership role, now's the time. Another crucial aspect of nurturing a growth mindset is dealing with failure. Too often we view failure as a dead end, a sign that we're not good enough. But with a growth mindset, failure is not a reflection of your abilities, but rather a learning opportunity. It's a chance to reflect, learn, and come back stronger. This leads us to the importance of seeking constructive feedback. It's easy to bask in the glow of praise, but it's the constructive criticism that truly helps us grow. It pinpoints areas where we can improve and provides actionable steps towards improvement. So actively seek feedback from mentors, peers, supervisors. Hear their words not as judgment but as guidance. Remember, a growth mindset is not about being the best, it's about becoming better than you were yesterday. It's about constant improvement, constant learning, and constant growth. Embracing a growth mindset and seeking constructive feedback are powerful tools for self-improvement. Don't view them as threats to your self-esteem, but rather as allies on your journey of personal growth and development. Number 3. Goal setting and self-reflection, keys to personal transformation. How can you use goal setting and self-reflection to transform your life? Let's start with a simple yet powerful concept: SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When setting goals for personal growth, it's essential that they meet these 5 criteria. Let's say, for instance, you want to improve your public speaking skills. A vague goal might be, I want to become a better speaker. But a SMART goal would be, I will join a local Toastmasters club and give at least one speech per month for the next 6 months to build my public speaking skills. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your personal growth and time-bound. It gives you a clear path to follow and a way to measure your progress. But setting SMART goals is just one side of the coin. The other side is regular self-reflection. Self-reflection is the process of consciously thinking about and analyzing your own thoughts, actions, and experiences. It's about taking a step back and asking yourself, what have I learned? How have I grown? What can I do better? Self-reflection can take many forms. You might choose to keep a journal, meditate, or have deep conversations with a trusted mentor or coach. The key is to make it a regular practice. Just as a ship needs a compass to stay on course, you need regular self-reflection to stay aligned with your personal growth goals. Self-reflection is also a powerful tool for learning from your experiences. It allows you to understand why you succeeded or failed, and to use this understanding to make necessary adjustments. If you find that you're not making progress towards a goal, self-reflection can help you figure out why and what you need to change. In conclusion, SMART goal setting and regular self-reflection are two powerful keys to personal transformation. They give you a clear path to follow and a way to track your progress, learn from your experiences, and make necessary adjustments. Through SMART goal setting and regular self-reflection, you can drive your personal transformation. Number 4. Empowering yourself through personal development. Tools for success. What tools can you use to empower yourself through personal development? Let's dive into two powerful tools that can fuel your personal growth: continuous learning and building a supportive network. First, let's talk about continuous learning. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to adapt, evolve, and learn new skills is invaluable. Engaging in lifelong learning isn't just about staying relevant in your field, it's also about expanding your perspectives, fostering creativity, and boosting your cognitive abilities. How can you engage in continuous learning? Attend seminars, workshops, or webinars that spark your interest or are relevant to your field. Read books that challenge you or introduce new ideas. Listen to podcasts on personal development topics. And most importantly, apply what you learn. Take that knowledge and use it to enhance your skills, approach, and overall life. Now let's move on to our second tool: building a supportive network. No person is an island, and this is especially true when it comes to personal growth. Surrounding yourself with individuals who inspire, uplift, and motivate you can be a game changer. Seek mentors who can provide guidance and share wisdom from their own experiences. Find peers who are also committed to personal growth and can hold you accountable to your goals. Engage in discussions, collaborations, or even friendly debates. These interactions can foster personal growth by challenging you, providing different perspectives, and offering support. It's important to remember that these aren't just one-time tools. They're habits that need to be cultivated and maintained. This might seem daunting, but remember, personal growth isn't a race, it's a journey. Take one step at a time, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress. Empowering yourself through continuous learning and a supportive network will equip you with the tools for success. And remember, success isn't just about achieving your goals, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Number 5. Achieving your goals. Harnessing the power of personal development. How can you harness the power of personal development to achieve your goals? Let's start by understanding that our dreams and aspirations, no matter how grand, are attainable. The secret lies in breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. If, for instance, your ambition is to start your own business, don't let the enormity of the task overwhelm you. Break it down. Start with creating a business plan, then move on to researching the market, creating a marketing strategy, and securing funding. Each step, when taken one at a time, brings you closer to your goal. But what about staying motivated? How do we keep our focus razor sharp in a world full of distractions? It's about finding strategies that work for you. One such strategy could be creating a vision board. A visual representation of your goals can be a powerful motivator. Seeing your dreams laid out in front of you serves as a constant reminder of why you started and what you're working towards. Another strategy could be setting reminders. These could be daily, weekly, or monthly reminders that prompt you to take action. Remember, consistency is key in personal development. And let's not forget the importance of having an accountability partner. This could be a trusted friend, a mentor, or a coach. Someone who understands your journey, supports your ambitions, and isn't afraid to hold you accountable. Having someone to share your progress with can make the journey less daunting and more enjoyable. So, there you have it. By breaking down your goals into actionable steps, you are setting yourself up for success. And by finding strategies to stay motivated and focused, you are ensuring that you stay the course, no matter the obstacles that come your way. Remember, personal development isn't a destination, it's a continuous journey. Keep moving forward, keep learning, and keep growing. And before you know it, you'll be standing at the peak of your potential, looking down at the path you've conquered. By breaking down your goals and staying focused, you can harness the power of personal development to achieve your aspirations. Thanks for joining. Please don't forget to love the like button, harmonious subscribe, and enhance the bell for more updates on living a balanced life. Also, your comments and feedback are always welcome if you like the content. Signing off from Curio Nexus until next time.